In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import the demos that comes with the Kadence themes using the Kadence simple theme and the Kadence block. If you want to learn how you can import the demos of the Kadence themes, then without further ado, let's get started now. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to the dashboard of your website, and once you will get here in the dashboard, you want to go to this plugins. Then you want to click on this add new plugin, and then you want to search for Kadence. And once you will search for Kadence, you want to download and install and activate this plugin, that is Starter Templates by Kadence WP. I have already activated this plugin right here. From here you will have to click on view template library, and once you will click on view template library, you will have this template library. If you have already activated this plugin, there is another way around. You will have to hover over to this appearance, and then you can click on this starter template. So here you will see all of the templates that comes with the Kadence theme. This includes the free templates as well as the pro version templates that requires the pro version. So anywhere where it says pro, you need the pro license for that Kadence theme. So let's just import one of the Kadence templates that we are seeing here. So let's pick one of this template. For example, this painting template looks good, that is free, and then this template looks good. Let's import this jewelry shop template. It is the free template. I'll click on this jewelry shop, and here it provides you with different kind of color palettes that you want to apply on the website. So you can click through these color palettes and you can decide which color palette you actually want to use. I think I want to use this pink color palette that has this pink color, or you can use this red color palette. This color palette also look, and then you can also choose the fonts that you want to use on the website. So you have the complete freedom over whichever font, however fonts or what kind of fonts you want on your website. I think I want to use this premium kind of font that you are seeing here, and here you can see it will also show you it requires Kadence blocks that is active. It also require WooCommerce, and it also require orderable. So you need to install this plugin. So let's just copy the name of this plugin. Let's just go to the plugin section of our website, and then in here once again you want to click on add new plugin, and then in here you can search for the plugin that requires for that kit or for that starter kit. You can click on install now button, and then you can simply activate. So the other plugin that it requires is this orderable. So after it will get installed, I can search for orderable plugin, and I think this is the orderable plugin. So I'll click on this install now button right here. Now we can actually activate. I activated this. I can also activate the WooCommerce. Now you can see WooCommerce is also activated. Now we can go back, and if we refresh this, it will take some time to get loaded, and here you can also filter through. So we need this free template from here, and you can then scroll through and find the template that we wanted. We need this template right here, and we decided to go with this theme right here and with this font that you are seeing here. Now it says active, active, so all of these are active, and now we can choose single page or full site. So I want to import this entire website. I'll click on full site, and then in here it will ask you for the import details that we have already selected, and then the advanced settings that are the import customizer settings and the imported content. So click on start import, and then you will have to wait until it will get imported. So right here you can see we have the success message that the import complete and finish view your website. Click on this button, and right here you can see this is how our website is showing. In this way you can import any kind of demo that you are seeing there, and it will automatically import everything that comes with the demo on your WordPress web. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you find this tutorial helpful, click on the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell icon to always get the latest video updates. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can.